show you how to care for your jewelry in a very simple way. Would you like to know? Right, let's dive into it. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bamilere Adeyemi, the creative director at Pamicraft. Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, quickly do so now. So today we are talking about how to care for your jewelry. I'm here to show you how to care for your jewelry in a very simple way. Would you like to know? Right, let's dive into it. So number one on the list is anytime that you want to put on your jewelry, just make sure that you put on your clothing, you put on your perfume, you put on your lotion or any skincare product at all that you need to use. You have to put all those ones on you first and make your jewelry the last thing that you put on. Why are you doing that? You're doing that because you want to preserve your jewelry, because the chemicals in your spray or your lotion could actually spoil your jewelry. So that's why I will advise you to wear your jewelry last.
Oh my god! Wow!
Then number two, care number two. So anytime you have any activities, any rigorous activities that could scratch or damage your jewelry, you put your jewelry off before engaging in such activity. Now, jewelry care 3. Anytime you want to go have your bath, or you want to swim, or you want to shower, anything you want to do like that, just put off your jewelry. So you keep, now tip 4, make sure you keep your jewelry away from direct sunlight. Tip 5, make sure you always keep your jewelry in a cool, dry place. Now, sometimes you might need to keep your jewelry in a ziplock, to keep the moisture away from it. So I have shared about 5 to 6 jewelry care tips with you. Anything else that you would like to see in this channel, just put it in the comment section, because I am going to make a video about it. Just let me know. Do not forget to share this video, tell your friends about it, let them come into the community. It's a big one. Let's all have fun together. So till I come your way again next time, I remain Bamilere Adeyemi, the creative director at Pamicraft. So see you in my next video. Bye.